Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download Google Photo to my computer. So simply at first open your Google Chrome browser. Press on Profile, manage your Google account. Please don't skip my video and provide full guide. Follow the left side and you go Data and Privacy. Open this, scroll down and go to App and Services. Click on this option, scroll down and you just select Google Drive. Press on to download. Then you get this interface. Okay, press on next step. Send download link by email. Export once and format to zip file. And same. Overall setup. Press on create export. And open your Gmail to Google and get this. Press on check activity. Press on yes. Okay. And it's downloading. This process can take a long time to complete. You will receive an email when you export it done. When it's complete to export done, then you get zip file and you need to just unzip your zip file. Then you can get your all photo from your drive. So that's it.